delighted to have achieved these 5 awards: Top Producer, Top Lister and Super Platinum, all thanks to my client and my peers. Having difficulty in selling off your property? Your property has been in the market for more than 3 months and it still remains unsold? You have tried many ways and it's still not working? Are you going through a difficult phase, separation, divorce or death of your loved one? These are some of the situations that you face and yet you can't find an answer. Feel free to connect with me today, Nuris Alicia at 9892 3700. One name, one call, Nuris Alicia.